today I am back with another adventure and we are in Cambridge. So come along with me as I explore here.
Cambridge is a city on the River Cam with a lot of history best visited on foot. Every corner tells a story, from the world-famous colleges to the exquisite architecture and breathtaking views. There's lots to do and see.
So I'm just walking to find the rest. Obviously I was silly and went to the wrong platform, so I missed the train that we were originally going to get. But I finally made it. Gonna go chill at the park, do some punting. I think we're gonna explore and do a walking tour, get some dinner and just chill and see some more historic sites and see what Cambridge has to offer. The ladies are over there, but come along as we go and explore. So guys, we have reached the meeting point for our walking tour and we are just about to start.
In Latin, translates to the world passage of age and the last thereof. This represents the dynasty Fourth Cathedral, and back then this was the very first chapel he ever designed. All of the colleges have their own style, their own personality, and of course their own reputation. Now,
so we are just walking to the market square to grab some food before we go punting. And we stumbled across this cake place.
We bring it home, keep it in the fridge, okay? Yeah. Anything else?
On our way to do punting.
yay, punting!
Punting and we are just strolling along the riverside. So guys, we have reached and we are gonna get some Chelsea buns. This was a place that was recommended to go and get them. They have other stuff that you can get, coffee, tea. So I am walking the streets. We've had a lovely day, learnt so much and just good vibes with good people. Me and Hannah were off to dinner and to catch some views because St Mary's was closed. We came on a Sunday, so obviously we forgot to check the times, but we're gonna chill, relax, get some dinner and catch up. Food has arrived. I just decided to get a simple pizza. And I got some starters. I think that's, what is it? Calamari and squid and mushroom. So guys, we have finished having dinner. We are heading to the station now. What a lovely day. Cambridge has been amazing. Such a lovely day out. Definitely come and explore Cambridge, especially when the weather is still good. And punting is a must. I really enjoyed it. It was so calming and relaxing, and we got to see a few of the sights. Catch me on the next day trip. See you soon.